everyone and Asalamualaykum. I hope you're all doing very well. Today's recipe is going to be a beautiful cream puff pastry. The first ingredient that you'll need is the puff pastry, which you can buy in any supermarkets, and I'm going to cut them into small pieces like this as shown. Now I'm going to be making this a thinner slice, so I'm going to cut it again in the middle. I've now got some foil sticks and I'm going to wrap the pastry around the foil sticks like this. The technique here, as you can see, is that I've wrapped the first layer up and now I'm wrapping up the second layer so that it makes the pastry more longer in length. It should be nicely wrapped around like this. I've now placed them on a tray and I've got an egg mixture here, so it's just one egg that I've whisked together, and now I'm going to be using this brush and coating the pastry. I'm now going to place that into the oven and let that bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now I'm going to be making the cream, so in a bowl I'm going to be adding in some double cream. Personally, I would recommend buying a thicker double cream. I'm now going to be adding in some icing sugar. With an electrical whisk, I'm going to give this a good mix until the mixture becomes very creamy and thick. As you can see, the mixture is now very creamy and it's become thick. I'm now going to transfer that into a piping bag. It's been 20 minutes and the puff pastry is now ready. As you can see, they look very beautiful. I've removed the foil sticks out of the puff pastry and now I'm going to be filling it in with the cream. Alhamdulillah, my cream puff pastry is now all ready. They look amazing and I cannot wait to try this out. It's giving me such a nice smell. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.